Hello future hustlers, good afternoon again. This is Jed and welcome to my page. Okay, let's jump right to the fifth question, fifth topic of this week's business question and answers, frequently asked questions, facts, and whatever. Okay, the question is, here you go. Is there capital needed to start this business? Well, definitely yes. Remember, this is a legitimate business. This is not an employment, so definitely an investment is involved. Okay, if I compare it to my traditional business, I'll tell you, I have shed hundreds, thousands of dirhams for startup and more for keep it up and running. And boy, that's a lot. Matindi siya. But in a digital business, the investment is relatively small. And actually it's just a fraction of it. And ang mga maganda dyan, there are many ways that you can, many ways to start up. You can choose it kung ano ang pasok sa budget mo. So, but definitely there will always be an investment involved. Okay, now, when you have been approached by anyone offering a no investment type of business, please be careful. Okay, please be careful because there is no such thing as free business that you will get to earn something out of thin air. Walang ganon. There is no free business. Okay, be careful. And ano pa ba? So ayun, I think that's the fairest answer to that question. Syempre, if you want to earn a substantial amount, well, definitely we have to invest. It is what it is. Ganun talaga. And in general, any business could be traditional or digital. It's not just the monetary investment. You have to invest your time, effort, dedication, commitment. Lahat yan. All of that is needed for you to succeed in your business, whatever you choose, whatever type of business you choose. So that is all. I hope that my answer to this question has been useful and helpful sa iyo. And if you guys found this amazing, this business opportunity, well, just check my website and sign up. That is what I actually strongly suggest you. First is to check out our complimentary webinar. That is free. You can explore from and learn from what the business is about, and you can start your way from there. Don't fret, huwag ka muna dun in the investment, because when you see the value of the business and what it can offer and how it transforms thousands of lives all over the world, you will see its value. So, ayun, hope it helps, and good luck guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button and follow my page for more. See you and God bless. Bye.